Today I am going to discuss about 8th standard science subject in lesson 14 acids and bases. In our daily life we come across different food substances. Some substances like turmeric, grapes, lemon, curd or sour taste. They are said to be acidic. Some substances like sodium bicarbonate and soap are bitter taste. They are said to be basic. This means that they contain either acid and base. Acid and bases are one of the important classification of chemical compounds which play a significant role in every field of science. Acids and bases find applications in various products from the soap used for shower to the vinegar in the kitchen. Acids and bases are biologically, industrially and environmentally important compounds. For example, among the medicines we use aspirin is an acid and antacids are basic. Similarly, many biological molecules are also either acids or bases. In this video, we will learn about acids and properties of acids and uses of acids.
Acids are commonly used in our homes. Many foods contains acids to enhance flavor or as a preservative. Vinegar is a solution of ethanoic acid. Orange and lemon juices contain citric acid. Soft drinks contain carbonic acid in solution. The sour taste of these substances is due to their acid content. The word acid is derived from the Latin word acetus. It's the meaning of sour. In industry, solution of acids are used extensively to produce a wide range of products such as fertilizers, drugs, explosives and plastics. Acids are also used to clean metal surfaces before use. Acids have a sour taste. Acids changes the colors of an acid-base indicator. Acid can be strong or weak electrolytes. All acids contain one or more replaceable hydrogen atoms in their molecules, and when dissolved in water they release H+ ions. By the Arrhenius definition, an acid is a compound that when dissolved in water dissociates and protects. In water, an acid increases the hydronium H3O+ concentration of an aqueous solution. Strong acids ionizes essentially completely in water. Weak acids only partially ionize in water. An acid is a substance that produces hydrogen ions H+ in water. An acid therefore can conduct electricity. Its pH value is more than 7. It has a sour taste. It has a stinging feeling. It is corrosive. Do you know, students? Swadhi's chemist Svanti Arrhenius proposed a theory on acids. Swedish chemist Svante Arrhenius proposed a theory on acids. According to him, an acid is a substance which furnishes H plus ions or H3O plus ions in aqueous solutions. An acid is a substance which, when dissolved in water, releases protons. The extent of dissociation, that is the amount of protons released compared to the total amount of compound, is the measure of the strength of the acid. For example, hydrochloric acid, HCl, is a strong acid because it dissociates completely in water, generating free H plus and Cl minus ions. Acidity can be measured on a scale called pH. More scalarly, the negative logarithm of the hydrogen ion concentration. For example, hydrochloric acid HCl, sulfuric acid H2SO4, nitric acid NHNO3 release hydrogen ions H plus when dissolved in water. In hydrochloric acid, hydrogen plus chloride. HCl, it gives H plus plus Cl minus. Nitric acid HNO3, it gives hydrogen ions plus nitric acid NO3. H2SO4 sulfuric acid, it gives hydrogen ions, 2 hydrogen ions plus SO4 2 minus. Next, sources of acids. Acids are defined as the chemical substances which release hydrogen ions when dissolved in water. Acids can be classified into organic acids and inorganic acids depending on the sources. Some acids occur naturally in fruits and vegetables. These are called organic acids. For examples, citric acids, tartaric acids. Acids can be found in your foods. Citric acids, oranges, lemons, limes. Ethanoic acids, vinegar, tomato juice. Tartaric acid, grapes. Tannic acid, tea. Lactic acid, sour milk, yogurt. On the other hand, acids are produced artificially in industries. These acids are called mineral acids or inorganic acids. For example, hydrochloric acids, sulfuric acids, nitric acids. Next. On the other hand, acids are produced artificially in industries. These acids are called mineral acids or inorganic acids. For example, hydrochloric acids, sulfuric acids, nitric acids. Next. Okay students, I hope all are understood today's topic. Thank you for listening students.